Welcome to Aptitude for Placements, and my name is Ranjit. I have conducted this aptitude training program at various engineering colleges all over India, and every year thousands of students get placed by attending this aptitude training program. Here you will find all the questions that are commonly encountered in most of the aptitude tests. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of these tests. So just familiarize yourself with all these questions and you will have a clear advantage when you attempt your actual placement test. Let's start. What is Sanjay's age? Sanjay is twice as old as Ram. So you will get S is equal to 2 times R. Ram is twice as old as Arjun. So R is equal to 2 times A. So from these two equations you will get S is equal to 4 times A. But we don't know Arjun's age. So even with both the statements we will not get the exact value of Sanjay's age. So both the statements together, even that is also not sufficient to get the exact value of Sanjay's age. So insufficient data E. What is John's age? In 15 years, John will be twice as old as Dias will be. So in 15 years, John will be J plus 15. And this will be twice as old as Dias will be. Twice as old as D plus 15. But we don't know D's age from the first statement. Second statement says that Dias is 5 years old. So D is equal to 5. So we can substitute D is equal to 5 here and you will get the exact value of J. So with both the statements you will get the exact value of J, that is John's age. So both the statements together is sufficient. Hence C is the right answer. X and Y are real numbers. Is X plus Y equal to 0? Now X is greater than 100. We look at possible values of X. X is greater than 100. So one possible value of X is X can be 200. Now another possible value is X may be 300. Now look at the second statement. Y is less than 100. Now one possible value of Y is less than 100. So Y can be, let us say, negative 200. Now Y is less than 100. So we can take Y is equal to 0. Now in this case you will get X plus Y is equal to 200 plus negative 200. The sum will be 0. So is it equal to 0? Yes. Now in this case 300 plus 0 gives you 300. Is it equal to 0? No. So in some cases you will get yes, X plus Y is equal to 0. In some other cases you will get X plus Y is not equal to 0. So is it equal to 0? Is X plus Y equal to 0? We don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. So insufficient data. Hence E is the right answer. Is X plus Y equal to 10? X is equal to 5 and X is equal to Y. So you can say Y is also equal to X or Y is equal to 5. So X and Y, they are both equal to 5. So with both the statements you will get yes, X plus Y is equal to 10. So you will get a clear cut yes. Now both the statements are necessary. Hence C is the right answer. The question is X less than 10? First statement says that X square is equal to 4. Which means that X may be plus 2 or X may be minus 2. In both the cases 2 square is 4. Here negative 2 the whole square is also 4. Now second statement says that X is less than 20. Now this statement is not necessary. We already know that X is less than 20. From this statement you will get X has to be either plus 2 or minus 2. So second statement anyway is not necessary. Now the question is X less than 10? Yes, we'll get a clear cut yes, X is less than 10. The only two possible values are X may be plus 2 or maybe minus 2. So first statement alone is sufficient to tell you X has to be less than 10. So first statement alone will do, hence A is the right answer. Let us look at question number 9. Is X greater than 1? Here X square is equal to 4. So x may be plus 2 or x may be minus 2. Here x square is equal to 4. These are the two possible values. X is less than 20. Again, that is not necessary. We already know that x is less than 20. Now, is x greater than 1? X may be greater than 1, x may be 2, or x may be less than 1, x may be minus 2. So, is x greater than 1? We don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. So, even with both the statements, you will not get the exact answer. Maybe yes, maybe no. So, insufficient data E. How many brothers does Ram have? Ram has only one sister. Ram's sister has two brothers. So, let us say Ram's sister is S. She has two brothers. One has to be Ram and the other is one more person is there. Let us take it as X. So, from this we will know Ram has only one brother. Ram and he has only one brother, that is X. So, Ram has only one brother. So, second statement alone will do. Hence, B is the right answer. Is A greater than B? First statement says that A is greater than 200. So, one possible value of A is A can be 250. Another possible value of A can be 300. Second statement says that B is greater than 100. Now, one possible value of B can be 200. Another possible value of B can be, let us say, 500. B is greater than 100, so B may be 500. So, let us look at these two possible values. Is A greater than B? Now, A can be 250, B can be 200. So, A can be greater than B. Yes, it is possible. Or another possible values, A is 300 and B is 500. So, in this case, A is less than B. So, is A greater than B? We don't know. Maybe yes, maybe no. So, even with both the statements, you wouldn't know. So, insufficient data E. What is the value of X? X is greater than 20, X is less than 25. So, even if you include both the statements, possible values of X are 21, 22, 23 and 24. These four possible values are there. So, what is the value of X? Exact value of X? We don't know. It may be 21, 22, 23 or 24. Any of these four values. So, insufficient data E. What is the distance from city A to city C in kilometers? A, B and C are located on a straight road but not necessarily in the same order. City A is 90 kilometers from city B. So, A to B is 90. City B is 30 kilometers from city C. So, you have C here and B to C is 30. Now, C need not be located in this direction. C may be located here. There you can see that they are still in a straight line. So, that B to C is 30. So, C may be here or C may be here. So, if C is here, A to C will be, this will be 60. And if C is here, then A to C will be 90 plus 30, 120. So, depending upon C's location, maybe 60, maybe 120, maybe 60, maybe 120. We do not know the exact value of the distance from A to C. Maybe 60, maybe 120. So, insufficient data E. Let me briefly explain how to prepare for your aptitude test. First of all, you need to familiarize yourself with all the questions that have been worked out here. These are the questions that keep on repeating in many of the aptitude tests. After that, you need to attempt practice tests. According to me, you need to attempt at least 10 practice tests before your actual placement test. Here, I will be giving you 10 practice tests, and these practice tests will be ideal for you to improve your test scores. The 10 practice tests are available at a cost of only Rs 200. So, all that you need to do is make a payment of Rs 200 either through Google Pay or through Phone Pay or through Paytm, and you will receive the 10 practice tests. The details of the payment comes next.